Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the A&W Spicy Habanero Chicken Burger. So that's it there. I've never had a chicken burger from A&W before, so I wanted to try this one out. I saw they have a spicy chicken burger, and I like spicy and I like chicken, so it's perfect for me. Just got habanero sauce on it, spicy habanero, and a bit of lettuce. I got it with no tomato, but tomato normally comes on it. There's sauce in the bottom and the top. It smells pretty good. Sesame seed bun. I'll get right into it here. Doesn't feel that spicy so far. Maybe a little bit spicy. The sauce is supposed to be the spicy part, but not really finding it that spicy. I usually get burgers from A&W because they have amazing burgers, but I want to try out a chicken burger this time. Pretty good. I taste the habanero sauce a little more that time. This will pop all over myself. It's pretty decent though. I see a little bit of red there from the habanero and spicy sauce. It's pretty good. The crispy chicken's a little bit dry, but it might have been because it's a little late here and might have been a little old. That's all right though. Oh yeah. It's pretty good. The chicken itself is pretty flavorful. I'm not sure how to describe this, but it's like a little spicy. It's like a junior chicken, but bigger, I guess. Like a junior chicken from McDonald's. I think the chicken itself is supposed to be a little spicy. I see like pepper on it. A little spicy, a little bit. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review on this. It's pretty good. I don't find it that spicy though. So a tradition I do with all spicy food reviews, I review how spicy it is and the overall rating of the burger. So this here, the spicy habanero crispy chicken from A&W, probably a 0.5 or 1 out of 10 for spicy. Not very spicy, but overall, I'd give this an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty good chicken burger, honestly, compared to a lot of the other ones that I've had in my life. It's a pretty good one. Not spicy, but it's still pretty good. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.